Alright, so here is a quick tip how to take backup while doing some changes via sed from the command line. Sed has an option, that is the -i option, which will allow you to do that thing. So I put 2 lines of code in my bash RC, so every time I fired a particular sed command, it basically, if it is operate on a particular file, it'll take the original file backup first, then act on it. Okay, to give you some sort of sense what I've just said to you, let me go to my terminal. I wrote it as sedwise because the name is like that, to use sed wisely. Now it takes, if I press enter, it clearly state you the message, use this like that, sedwise, then the regex part, then the file name to act on. Okay, so all I have to do, sedwise, then because it has got all local, all global command in it, and I want to, for the sake of this demonstration, change all the global word into a local word, just for the sake of this demonstration. That regex part or change part could be anything, any sed related stuff. Okay, now I have an arbitrary command in my home folder this file is containing. So before doing so, I intentionally use that to show you what is the content. This is the content of the file. I'm going to change the local word with a global word. Okay, so, and how do I do that? Sedwise, then s, local to global, right? Then I Emacs keys. Okay, so that sed expression could be anything, whatever you like, but now you can see it spitted out the message. The original file is stored as Emacs key, then the appended with the today's date. That's how the code snippet is written like that, to call sedwise in this case. Okay, so if I go and check, see, it turned into a local turned into a global, right? So that's what the change of sed I did. Now how do I do that? I have a snippet in my bash RC. You can see that online in GitHub repo, in my github.file repo. Sedwise, see, this is a simple function I have put inside my bash RC, so I don't have to remember. I just type sedwise and give the, you see the else part. It has to take 2 arguments. If one of them is missing, it will show you the help message or echoes message. That's what you saw very first instance I ran it. Now the else part is interesting. Sed -i, then simple date tag with the file. Okay, then the file name, regexes and file name, and it will show you in the last line, show you the file name appended with the current date. That's what it, simple stuff, but it will assure that you won't lose the important stuff. Because if you want to, many times we do a lot of changes to an important configuration file from the command line itself, because it's faster, it's easier. So there should be some sort of mechanism to take a backup of the original, especially if you are sitting on a server. Take a backup of the original before doing any changes to the important configuration file or any other file. So it's a wise thing. So this is one of the tiny way to make sure that you should not miss out the stuff. Okay, so this is very little thing, but it has got a great importance. That's why I'm making this video. I hope it will be useful for some people. Thanks for watching.